Assalamualaikum and very good day. We are from Group 4, like to present the problem-based learning about our survey titled Bus Service to Class.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Sabrina binti Muhammad Safarin and I'm going to present our problem-based learning Fila table. Our problem statement is what is the mean, mode, median and standard deviation on students that complain about bus service to class. Facts that we can obtain from the question is students in college are unsatisfied with the bus service provided. Second, college bus service receive lots of complaint from students of UTHM College for reasons. Last fact is students use buses to go to class. The idea for this question is the bus service have some issue that cause students to complain about it. Secondly, this issue will be calculated using formula under chapter 3, descriptive statistic. In order to calculate the mean, mode, median and standard deviation, we need to collect data by creating questionnaire. Questionnaire are created using Google Form with scale type of answer. The data collected will then be analyzed and interpreted to obtain the results. Learning issue for this problem is which topic should be referred to solve this issue, which formula is the most suitable to be used to solve the problem, and why it is important to calculate the mean, mode, median and standard deviation obtained from the data. Besides, how to interpret the data from the Google form that has been answered by UTHM College student and what is the equation related to those calculations. To solve this problem, there are 4 sources needed, which is Technical Mathematics module, Google search, observation and discussion.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Farhana binti Helmi and today I'm going to present about the result of bus service when going to class. Based on the Google form, question 1 is present about the data of how satisfied the student with the bus service. From this question, we get the result that most of the students felt immediately satisfied compared to others, which is 41.2%. Then, 32.4% are satisfied and only 2.9% was very satisfied, while 20.6% were not satisfied and 2.9% was very not satisfied with the bus service.
Assalamualaikum and hi. I am Sham Darwish and I would like to present the calculation of the result, which is the statistic of the data that has been collected. For question 1, there are 5 scores have been collected. We need to use the formula of mean and standard deviation, which is on the slide, to get the mean and standard deviation value. The mean value that has been obtained is 3.18. The mode value is 3, the median value is 3, the variance value is 0.65 and the standard deviation value is 0.81.
Next, for the question 2, which is would the student describe the driver bus as friendly? We got the result that most of the students were answer sometimes and yes instead of no, which is 55.9% sometimes, 41.2% yes and only 2.9% no.
For the second question, there are only 3 scores have been collected. Let's say 3 for yes, 2 for sometimes and 1 for no. The mean value that has been obtained in this question is 3.36 and the mode value is 2, the median value is 1.68, the variance value is 0.301 and the standard deviation value is 0.55.
Then, for the next question is present about the bus is clean or dirty. So, we get the result that most of the students answer at the scale 4, which is 35.3% clean, 32.4% very clean and 36.5% immediately clean. So, that's all from me. Thank you.
For question 3, there are 5 scores have been collected. The mean value that has been obtained is 3.41. The mode value is 4, the median value is 4.04, the variance value is 0.84 and the standard deviation value is 0.91.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, my name is Nurul Alina Jam Truslan Today, I want to read our bus survey conducted by our group that has received 33 responses, which is 15 males and 80 females. The first question that we ask is the bus on time? The students were given 3 options for answering this question. First, yes. Second, sometimes, and third, no. The percentage for people that vote for yes is only 57.6%. For people vote sometimes is 39.4%, and 3% more is vote for no. This means that their satisfaction for the bus is running is 50/50.
Let's assume the 3 responses as scores, 3 being yes, 2 being sometimes, and 1 being no. With these scores and frequency, the fx, x square, and fx square, the mean, mode, median, variance, and standard deviation can be calculated. Based on the question, most students said yes. This means the mode class is 3 while the mean calculated is 2.61. Using the data collected, we have calculated that the median is 3.325. The variance is 0.246, whereas the standard deviation that's calculated is 0.496.
Now, we move to the next question. The question we are about to ask is, if you answer no or sometimes, how late is the bus? In total, 18 people answer no or sometimes, prompting an additional question about how late the bus arrived. Each student was asked to rate the bus lateness on a scale of 1 to 5, with 1 being less than 5 minutes late and 5 being more than 5 minutes late.
Following up on question 4, it's clear that 18 students answered no or sometimes. And based on the data gathered, the majority or most scored the bus lateness as 3. With this information from the 18 respondents, the data collected is 3.5 on average. The median class is 3 with a calculated median of 2.63. Using the variance and standard deviation formula, the values obtained are 1.59 and 1.25 respectively.
Last but not least, the following question sought students' perspective on bus safety, especially during their journey to and from the campus. Each student was asked to rate their level of satisfaction on a scale of 1 to 5, with 1 being no or unsafe and 5 being yes or safe. That's all from me, thank you.
Furthermore, on question 6, we've calculated that the vast majority of students feel perfectly safe on the bus. The average score for this question is 3.73, with a mode score of 4 for student safety. The median class for this question is 4 with a value of 4.15. The calculated variance is 1.14 and the calculated standard deviation is 1.07.
Now I will explain to you about the conclusion of this survey. According to the results, students felt satisfied with the bus services in UTHM, but there are still several students who disagree with this statement. So, most of the buses in UTHM are clean, and almost all of the buses in UTHM are on time when picking up students. Other than that, students felt safe when riding the bus, and they also felt safe while waiting for the bus to arrive at the bus stop. Aside from the good response, there are some bad responses from the students when answering this survey. One of it is the bus drivers are sometimes friendly and sometimes not. And the other one is the bus are late for 5 minutes when picking up the students. That is all from us. Thank you for your time.